Some people somehow think that it's something you have to be special or be set apart. It has nothing to do with that. It's something that is an everyday thing that does not come easy. It's something that takes practice. Practice being uncomfortable. Practice placing yourself in uncomfortable, difficult, and at times scary situations that one day in the future, you might look back at your life and just for once be proud of yourself and your accomplishment. It's something that you have to intentionally remind yourself to be and to tell the voices in your head that yes, I can do this. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a grind. It's not something that you master and be done with and move on in your life. It's progress you make daily. It's a game of inches, but it all starts the same exact way. It starts with the mind and getting it ready for the day to put in hard work. It's not about whether you were taught or handed or privileged or helped along the way. Courage and sweat has everything to do with one idea, the idea of no excuses. It's definitely a mindset that has to be put on and sculpted every single day. It's not limited to just one thing. It's a universal principle that applies to everyday life. Yes, it takes courage and sweat to take on difficult, intimidating renovations. But you know what? It also takes courage and sweat to be present with your family. It takes courage and sweat to stretch yourself thin after a long, hard day of your work to now take care of the people that were entrusted in your care. It's about being the hero of your own story, that later maybe one day you might become the hero to those that depend on you the most. Courage and sweat have the courage to do difficult and intimidating things and endure the sweat, the hard work, the frustrations that is inevitable. It will come along the way. But one thing is true, that it will make us better people and better builders in the end.